You to show me up.
So you guys, this is about to be a get ready with me. Since school is out, we're on Thanksgiving break, and I ain't got nothing to do, so I might as well just make a video for right now. And I'm gonna do that. And I really don't have nowhere to go, but I'm gonna get ready anyway and try to look good. And I don't have my wig on, so we're gonna put that on also for all the people who keep asking me how to do stuff. I'm gonna show you. Stay tuned. I'm not naked. I swear I'm not naked. So don't even try it. Anyways, this is my mama sweatpants. Really didn't have anything else to put on. And my legs are cold. So just stay tuned. And I might do a voiceover or I might just talk while I'm doing this. But today, for my face, oh, y'all can't see that. We're gonna be using Bada Boom Mario Badescu skincare, and this is the brightening kit because y'all know I got these dark spots on my face, and I do not have time for these dark spots because it's gonna be a hot girl summer very soon. So we got this, and when Black Friday come, I will be getting the actual size products. Too aggressive? I don't think so. So first, we're gonna start. Well, first we're gonna open a box. Oh, my top came off.
$2,000 years later.
Come with these products. It comes with these products. My vitamin C oil is in my purse right now because I use that quite often because it's good for dark marks. Oh my god! So these, the vitamin C oil. What was I talking about? These is kind of going away, but this is like it don't want to go away. My lips is ashy. Oof. Then I have the glycolic foaming cleanser. I don't know how I'm supposed to say that word, but yeah, you see it right there. Right there. And then I have the toner. Well, it says cleansing lotion, but it's basically like a toner. And it smells really good. And then I barely use this. I use it like once a week. And then I have this. I put it on my face sometimes on the dark marks. Right here, and around my eyes. And that's what I do. So I'm finna do it right now. Let's get started. Okay, so now voiceover. First, you're gonna wash your hands because you don't want to have dirty hands while touching your dirty face. And that's just dirty on dirty. So here we go. Washing your hands with hot water. Lips still ashy. Now I'm drying my hands off with a dry towel. Clean dry towel. I mean, just have a dry towel that you regularly dry your hands off it. Now the glycolic foaming cleanser by Mario Badescu. And that's how much you need. Now you're gonna rub it all over your face. And do not get it in your eyes, or your eyes are gonna be burning. Now it's time to wash all of it off your face. So you're gonna get some water, of course. Rub it in your hand and then scrub it all over your face again. Make sure all of the dirt and bad oils is off your face. Different angle. So I'm really trying to be like the people in the commercials and wash my face and throw water at my face. After doing that a couple times, you're gonna get a dry face towel and pat your face dry. Next, we're going in with the grapefruit lotion, cleansing lotion. Of course, I gotta model the bottle. Bars right there. And then you have to get a cotton ball to apply it to your face. And use a generous amount. I'll probably put too much, but oh well. Now, all that dirt was on my face, and that's disgusting. Finally, we're going in with a moisturizer. The glycolic acid moisturizer for the dark spots. After I brush my teeth with the Crest whitening toothpaste, it's my favorite toothpaste. I really do think it makes a difference in your teeth. And I brush my teeth in circular motions. It just works best for me. So we have brushed our teeth and cleansed the face with the Mario Badescu stuff. Now my nose is like running and stuff. Now, let me go get my wig. Now we got the wig set up on this wig stand. And we're going to clean all this sticky glue off before we wash it. And how we're going to do that is take some of this alcohol, green alcohol, and we're going to clean it with this toothbrush. No, I don't brush my teeth with this. Y'all just see my toothbrush, so I don't know why y'all thought that. Why? What's the reason? Now, we're gonna wash it. And this, I usually just wash my wigs with conditioner. But this wig is like, it's been dry a lot for the past week and some days. So we're gonna use this Suave, whatever you call it, shampoo, salon proven. We're gonna use that. And follow up with the conditioner. I barely have some of this. So that's what I'm gonna do. while I get dressed. So meet you in my room. Whew. Okay, so we're in my room. I'm gonna put on my outfit. This is what I have. My cardigan. I don't know where it's at. So hold on one second. Here's my cardigan. It's gonna go with the outfit also, because it's cold. Which I'm really not going anywhere though. But yeah, it's a bodysuit. And then have these pants. Legs out. Probably gonna put some leggings under it. But we'll see. So I'll be back when my whole outfit is on. Now I'm ready. Ooh. I know. Like I got a tan. Like it's really lighter. Look at her. It's lighter up there. Trash. But anyways, we putting this back on. I got black, I got white, what you want? I'm about to put my lashes on, and I got done plucking it a little bit. And then I'm gonna install or glue down my wig. And then we're gonna be ready for the day. So I'll be back with my lashes on. Some excess lace right here, so I'm about to cut it because I don't need it. It's still wet. Well, it's like damp. Not that bad. I think my recording just stopped. But I mean, whatever. I got the lace on. Y'all get the memo. Cause I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to save this. It don't make no sense. Got me tripping and funny. That's really how you do it. I just don't have it styled or anything. I might show y'all and come back when it's styled. I might. I'm done! Awesome, beautiful, elegant, magnificent. I'm done. I done did the install. I really don't like this part. I need to like comb it out a little bit. Yeah, that's how it is. And these are actually like dramatic baby hairs. And I don't cut the hair to like make baby hairs, so that's why it's like real full. You can't really like see the lace. I scared my dog. It's my dog Gabby. She been with me since I don't know how long. In the arms of the angels. I'm done with the inside. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's trials and tribulations. This lash kept coming off. This lash kept coming off. And this is a long video. And I know the editing is gonna take a minute. Like, a long time. I hope y'all enjoyed this video! Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you want to see more content. And tell me what you want to see in the comments down below. Because I need video ideas. I really do. Thanks for watching, you guys. Mynasia Network out.